All right, hello everyone and welcome. My name is John, and in this video I want to talk about something I've learned on the path of meditation that has been so helpful and is allowing me to go deeper with less effort. So the concept is really simple. There is something within you, a power that is infinitely greater than anything you could ever do on your own. There is absolutely nothing you could ever do or accomplish that would even come close to this power that is already within you. So this is that pure source energy, that seed of enlightenment, that power of existence itself. Think about this. Existence. The power and ability to exist. There's absolutely nothing you can do that would ever compare to that. Not in 100 million years. Never. Nothing is as incredible, as miraculous as that power of existence. But you already have it, and we all have it. We're all part of that, and we can never get away from it. We can never lose it. It will never be taken from us. But the reason this is so helpful and important to get really clear about is because this can save us of a lot of the things we do which prevent us from experiencing it fully. So there's a lot of time that can be spent on the meditative path where we're chasing after enlightenment, seeking some higher state of being, striving to accomplish something or to reach like the deepest depths or the highest heights. There's a time and place for effort, and for sure we need that. But all we're really trying to do is to find that power within us, to relax the body, release tension from the mind, calm the emotions, free the breath, till we find that power, we find that energy. And then the best and greatest thing we could do is allow it to flow through us, to stop restricting it. We are the obstacle. And so we're trying to dissolve ourselves into that pure awareness of this power that already lives within all things. So when we first discover it, when we first make contact with it, it's like dipping your toes into the surface of the ocean. You start to feel it. You start to become aware of what's possible. You start to understand things about the ocean, even though you have not explored the depths yet. Okay, so we have pranayama, we have yoga, we have Qigong, we have breathing exercises, visualizations, all kinds of things we can do to help us get in touch with this energy and to help us clear the blockages. But all of those things are like launching a boat from a harbor. It takes effort. You got to do things to get out to the open ocean. But once you're there, the best and easiest thing you can do is to let the tides and the wind take you. If you think you're gonna get in a boat and paddle across the ocean, you're not. You will become exhausted. You'll become sore. You'll be so hungry and tired. You're gonna injure yourself. We have to allow these forces of nature to do what they're designed to do. So the power of existence is already within you, always flowing through you, but we are able to control that flow. We can restrict it or we can allow it to flow to its full potential. That's what the masters do. They release all the blockages within themselves and then they unite themselves completely with this power. But it's not a personal thing. You're not making anything happen. This is why Jesus is always saying like, the Father that flows through me is doing the works. It's not me, it's the power of existence. So I just wanted to share this because it's really important to make that distinction between personal effort to get ourselves into a more meditative state and then surrendering, feeling that flow of energy, feeling that stream, that power of existence, and allowing it to do what it is meant to do. The most powerful thing you can ever do is to let it get to work. So I hope this idea helps you get clearer and make a shift in your practice that allows the benefits of this energy to flow through you more freely, more easily, more fully. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you do want to learn some practices to launch your boat from the harbor, to get in touch with this ocean of existence, I do have links down below to my online courses. So I hope you'll go check those out. And please let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you on your journey to becoming a crystal clear channel that allows this pristine energy of existence to flow through you in your own unique way. Okay, so for now, that is going to do it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you back here for another video real soon. Peace.